Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, today we are talking about 5 tutorials that I've done to give you ideas for backpacks. Backpacks are one of my favorites, hence why I have 5 tutorials on the internet of what I've done to backpacks. And I don't know why backpacks, they're like a purse, but they're more practical. And they're just backpacks. Backpacks are awesome, okay? So let's reflect on 5 of my favorite tutorials. The first, backpack. Literally made the list and I wrote backpack. Thank you. Thank you for looking out for future me. Let me open the tutorial. Minnie Mouse backpack, under $15. I still don't even remember what this tutorial is. Let me check it out. Let's watch the ad. Okay, it's just, I wrote down backpack, assuming I would remember this is your favorite backpack you've ever done. Okay, Mickey and Minnie backpacks with just adding Minnie ears or Mickey ears and a bow. Watch the tutorial, so cute. That's all I'm gonna say. But if you wanna see how to do this, definitely my favorite backpack. Stuffed Buddy backpack. Okay. Is this my favorite backpack? I don't know, but they're different. They're different. The Stuffed Buddy backpack was so cute. And I did get this, if you watch the tutorial, I think I talk about it, but I got it at the thrift store, so I didn't feel bad cutting stuffed animals up. And I have mentioned a couple times how the haters have come at me for cutting up so many stuffed animals in my tutorials, but guys, I'm a DIYer. We DIY things, which means we have to destroy things sometimes. So this Stuffed Buddy, so cute. No sew, you can sew it, but it's a no sew. Okay, I wrote Landice's backpack. I'm guessing that this is when I took her backpack and I just amped it up a bit. Fun story, a lot of these tutorials from my old days really remind me of how much on a budget I actually was. And I love that because one of the things when I started my YouTube channel was I really wanted to do DIYs for everybody, that you could literally grab things that you already had or didn't cost very much money so that you could do these things. And I think I meshed an old t-shirt with her backpack and made just a kind of cute backpack. And honestly, it just brings back so many memories because I just remember being like, you want a character backpack? Hey, you have an old character shirt and a backpack. Who needs to go buy that $40 Dora the Explorer backpack? So we definitely improvised a lot, and so I love that. And I love that looking back at these videos and making these idea videos is kind of being so just memorable for me and bringing me back to that area. As we go into the next one, which is the Loungefly backpack, which is like a $70 backpack. And I don't condone necessarily buying this unless you're financially stable and have the means to buy Loungefly, but Loungefly is a really cute backpack, and we've taken bling and I've been blinging some Loungefly backpacks up as fun DIY inspiration. So the cool thing about this video is I'm going from no budget to a budget on this one. But if you're a Loungefly lover or you have a Loungefly and maybe even some of the color has been coming off, because I've noticed that with some of the Loungeflies, bling those spots up and get them revamped. Ooh, I should get like an old Loungefly and like touch it up like they do. You know in Toy Story 2, that scene, everybody knows what I'm talking about because it's the best scene of the whole movie, where they retouch Woody up and they, you know what I'm talking about. They spruce them all up. I should get some like old Loungeflies or old ruined backpacks and try to touch them up. Not sure if that's gonna happen, but we'll see. But that sounds like a great idea. Okay, and then the Buzz backpack, which is a happy medium for the budget. I love the Buzz backpack because I took a $12 backpack from Target and blinged it up. So if you want to see that tutorial, check that out. All links for these 5 videos are in the description. Check them out if you're interested in DIYing up a backpack for school, for the park, for yourself. I have converted a lot of things over to backpacks. I have camera bags that I use backpacks for. I have my laptop bag that I use backpacks for. I use my purse for my purse, but I try to use a backpack for like everything because backpacks are so practical. So DIYing backpacks is really fun when you use them all the time. Okay, I love you guys. Don't forget to check out these videos and other Disney videos. I have other Disney idea videos if you're interested in watching those. I love you guys. Bye.